can you briefly provide information about your company?
Kale Faucet is a family-owned business that was established in 1969. We are currently continuing as the second generation. When it was first established, it was manufacturing in the brass core copper and zinc alloy sectors. In the last 10 years, we have added aluminum parts to our production. 4 years, we have added copper to our output. For the last 2 years, we have also been producing steel products. We are a contract-based company. We manufacture according to customer requests. Therefore, while we have a clear sector, we are currently heavily involved in the water sector, gas sector, heating and cooling, white goods, electricity, automotive, and defense industries. We are an export-oriented company. We have 75% exports. We export 90% of this to the European region. But among our regions, we have exports to the Middle East, North Africa, Europe, South America, and North America. We have 2 different types of production. It's about forging processes and machining from raw material bars. Our forging process is done in brass. We work with raw materials, but we also process all other alloys.
How did your process of getting to know One CNC go?
We actually met with One CNC through Mr. Fatih about 7 to 8 years ago. We started working with him because he has very strong customer relations and can get back to us immediately in any area we need. Then he established One CNC, and when he started the production of the first machines, he came to meet with us. When we went and inspected, we personally saw that the machines were very successful. In fact, we had a situation regarding this. We were producing for a customer, making a part with precision of 4 microns. We told him that we would purchase his machines if he could do this on his machine. He also set up the machine and produced it in the same time frames and quality as the other machine. As of that day, we started purchasing our automatic lathes from 1CS. Then a diameter of 38. The machine is operational. We bought the first machine he produced, and along with that, our production capacity and the products we would produce have also increased. Thanks to them, we have achieved a certain level of success. Whenever we reach out to One CNC with any needs, they are a company that gets back to us within a day. We are very pleased about that.
What advantages does the production of One CNC in our country provide to you as customers?
The fact that One CNC is locally made is very important for us from the perspective of our country. The most important aspect for us is that since it is produced in our country, we can get immediate support for any spare parts we need for the machine. They can stop in a controlled manner. In fact, we also do this here. One CNC also supplies us with the essential machines we need under another brand very quickly. Therefore, we minimize our disruptions in the production process. A locally produced machine in the same segment. I think it's a great success story that they have achieved the same production, quality, and cycle times with a company that has proven itself in the world and is in the upper segment in terms of quality.